Alright guys, today we're checking out a really cool development that's in Playa del Carmen, but honestly it feels like I'm in Tulum and we're in the middle of the jungle. I've never actually ventured this far into Playa. This is on the other side of the bridge and they are doing a huge development here. It's kind of one of those regenerative or conservation type builds where they're focused on the environment and protecting everything around it to keep as much nature as possible. There's actually a school in the community right here, and you can kind of see that yellow building into the thick there. I don't want to film the kids, obviously, but there's a Montessori school. It is focused on Montessori curriculum. It's very much in the jungle and in the thick of it all. But let's take a look here. There's two model homes that you can purchase. One is a 3-bedroom bungalow, and the one that we're seeing today is a 3-bedroom, 2-story, which is listed for this price. And the 3-bedroom bungalow is listed for this price. But let's take a look here. So the outside of it, you got this huge walkway. You have a 2-car garage. And this is phase 2 currently, and there's only 2 lots left. But then they are going to start phase 3 selling soon. But let's take a look here. So you enter this huge entryway, massive height ceilings here. You have the one powder room slash washroom, which I guess is for the main floor. So the 3 bedrooms, this one does not have an ensuite, but it would be essentially that bathroom, but it's also shared as the powder room. This is the first bedroom here. You got a small closet organizer, desk space, nice huge window, and this is actually a king size bed. And there's a futon in here for some reason, but it tells you the scale of the bedroom. Moving on out to the living room. You've got this nice couch area. Again, the ceiling height here is wild. This is the TV area. So you got lots of space here. You do have dining, formal dining area if you will, or a dining room area. And you have the kitchen right here. Everything is on that nature kind of vibe. Again, this reminds you very much of Tulum, but it's in Playa, so you're close to all the amenities. There's actually fiber optic cable here. I actually have cell phone service, and you're not that far from the heart of it all in downtown Playa. So they're saying that this development will be done in 24 months completely. If you purchased previously or you purchase now, they can build your home faster and you can actually move in, but your amenities will not be ready yet. Let's move on upstairs. Now, you can see here, this is the double height ceilings. If this layout doesn't work for you or you want a bigger kitchen island or whatever, you can actually do modifications to these model homes. This is the primary bedroom, I believe. So you have your one bed. This is a queen. Every unit obviously has the air conditioner. And then you have a separation door here, which is nice from the bathroom. This is a gigantic walk-in closet. Lots of space. So shelves. And you have your giant closet organizers. There you go, double racks. And then in here is the bathroom. So you have the double sinks. Again, you can edit or modify these finishes as well if they're not to your liking. You can also add a rooftop patio. We just don't have access to it because this model home does not have it, but it is an option if that's of interest to you. Now, moving on to the 3rd bedroom up here. This one has a small TV area, built-in closet, lots of space similar to the other one. This one overlooks the backyard space. And it also has its own ensuite. Again, similar to the other ones, huge shower. You have your window, rain head, shower head. And this one actually has a king in here. Not really sure why they staged the king in here. They should have put that one in the master or the primary. Anyways, So if you guys want some information on this, let me know below. They are selling lots and they're about $50,000, which is kind of crazy. That is super affordable. So you can buy a lot for 50K and build your own house on it, or you can buy one of their houses in the various phases. By the time you see this video, good chance that the other 2 available lots will be sold. So you will have the opportunity to buy in lot 3, phase 3, where you can pick one of these 2 model homes or do some minor modifications to make it fit your needs, or just build your own custom home. But for 50K on a lot in Playa del Carmen in the jungle, if you want to live that sustainable eco living, this is the development for you. Let's go look at the renderings. So you can actually see this is a school here. You can probably hear the kids playing. But yeah, there's a couple more lots. Those have been sold, but these are like kind of the renderings of the property. It's pretty nice. It's gonna have nice front gates, obviously gated 24/7, security. Lots of nature trails. Common amenities, you'll have the gym, the pool, paddle courts, soccer. I believe they said gymnastics and stuff like that. But then every Pravada, so in this phase, like this phase 2, they're gonna have their own pool as well. So you don't have to share with every resident here. Okay, so one of the cool things I just saw, one of the amenities is kind of ready that we can actually showcase. It's a cenote in the middle of the jungle. I'll show you guys that right now. But what I actually found out is all the woodworking and all the cabinets and all the closet organizers, they actually make them here on site through the trees that they're taking down to clear the land. So instead of tossing them, burning them, they're actually using it to make the furniture, which is kind of cool. They have a whole team set up there working. They didn't really want me showing that, but maybe I'll try to show you guys kind of what the dried wood looks like that they're curing right now. But check this out. This is one of the cenotes they have here. It is maintained and clean, but they haven't done it yet since no one's living here. Then you got all this here. So this part I believe is man-made, but you can see it's gonna be a huge like kind of lazy river cenote thing going on. There's a giant cenote down here. I'm not gonna go down there because I don't want to fall in. Very cool. This is a natural cenote. And then jungle paths go more. So if you like running or taking hikes and stuff like that, this is actually the perfect community for you. They've cleared some paths here. Yeah, all this is going to be part of your amenities package here. This event space that's included with your HOAs, where you can pay to rent this though, but you have access to it. And check this out, it reminds me of Bali. So these crazy wooden doors, these wooden shutters, but this is like an actual gigantic event space with air conditioning and plumbing, obviously, so you can do weddings, parties, so on. It does have 2 bathrooms for male and females. The stalls there. It's actually quite big. There's no power in here. I think that's a urinal. Yeah, those are urinals. Sinks. Look at that. And then another bathroom. This must be the larger handicap spot, I guess. Very cool. Never seen a space like this.
Look at this place.
It's like a tree
¿Cómo va a
house.
subir la gente vieja aquí?
Está quejando como la gente vieja.
Ya empieza, ya. 38 es complicado.
Welcome.
Yes, this
Wow. Look at this.
is kind of crazy.
Buenos días,
Con
buenas tardes.
permiso, hola, ¿cómo estás, Alejandro? ¿Qué tal?
Hola. Bien.
Buenos días. Muy bien, ¿y tú? Me alegra mucho.
Oh, yeah, there you go. That's cool.
Bro.
Les voy a traer agüita, ¿sí?
So what will this turn into once they're done?
Oh yeah, they're gonna have paddle courts, clubhouse, pool. There you go. This is to show.
So if you guys want more information, let me know below. Send me a DM or check me on Instagram. I'm the most active there.